Hello, welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be talking about bleaching. So this hair has already been bleached. I used the water bath method and this is the color that I had. I wasn't so okay with the color because I wasn't going for this color, so I decided to bleach it again. So guys, let's get started. I'm going to measure a tablespoon 4 to 5 in the bowl and then add the developer. Guys, I was really scared when I decided to do this again because I had a bad experience and I was scared that my hair might go bad. So I'm going to mix the bleach powder and the developer thoroughly. Make sure there is no lump. Mix it very well, and guys, so this is the consistency that I need. I don't need it to be very thick. I just need it a little bit light. I'm going to divide the hair into small parts so that it will be easy for me to apply the bleach on the hair. So after I've set a section of the hair, I will comb to detangle the hair and then apply the bleach. So after applying the bleach on the hair, I'm going to comb it through again. I just want to make sure the bleach is on any part of the hair. So I'm going to do same for this part too, and then I'm going to speed the process for the sake of time. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe for me and let me know the kind of videos that you really want me to post. And also, if you want to give this a trial, you can go ahead and do it and come and share your experience. This is it. I'm done applying the bleach on the hair, so I'm just going to allow this to rest for about 30 minutes. So guys, don't forget that the more the bleach, the more the hair is going to change in color. So the less the bleach, the lesser the color you're going to get. So it all depends on you how you want the color to be. After 30 minutes time, this is how the hair is. Guys, this is the color, but I need it more lighter, so I'll just let it sit for about 15 minutes and then get back to it. So this is after 15 minutes time, so the total minute is going to be 45 minutes. Guys, I really don't want the hair to go back, so I think 45 minutes is enough. And this is how the hair is looking. I guess I'm okay with this color. This is the final result. I just love it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like it, subscribe, and then share this video. Until then, I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.